too early to be confident about what the disease looks like.
Investigators say they're dealing with a new type of coronavirus, placing it in the same family as severe acute respiratory syndrome, or SARS, which killed nearly 800 people.
Tokyo, Japan, Taipei, Hong Kong.